Staying mobile in certain situations is more important than making sure that you have everything on the list that you'd need for every scenario that you might find yourself in. Most people make the mistake of getting a bag or a setup and filling every last cubic inch with items that they might think they'd need for different scenarios that they could encounter, and that's just the reality of this sphere. It's a lifelong learning process. Now, this medium-sized runner's kit bag from Hill People Gear forces you to really think about what it is you're carrying. You're forced to trim out the excess fluff and carry what you only really need. It measures 10 inches across, it's 7 inches in height, and it's about an inch thick, and it weighs less than a pound. If you want a good solid real-world measurement of what that means, I was able to fit 2 water bottles, standard 16.9 floral ounce size, 2 protein bars in my phone. I got the version in elk, which was their interpretation of a more outdoors and less military color. However, I do remember when Coyote Brown was first introduced, before there was a definite agreed upon shade, and this color reminds me of a lot of those mid-2000s colors that came out from various manufacturers. I'm not saying that's a bad thing, but if you think that this is more civilian and less military looking, they do offer these in black, red, blue, and these kit bags are small chest bags that were designed to be worn by themselves or underneath any backpack with the included harness or attached to the backpack on the front. And the runner's kit bag offers a lower profile. According to the official site, the medium runner's kit bag was designed specifically for carrying a pistol while running in urban environments. It also works well in higher activity situations, running, mountain biking, rock climbing, where you would like to discreetly carry a pistol and very little else. It's made out of 500 denier cordura, so it's lighter, but then for a pouch this size, I don't think it really makes that much of a difference. The H harness it comes with is made out of a high quality, very durable feeling mesh. You can use lifter straps to dock this onto another pack. There's also a stabilizer kit for running, but I didn't notice it flopping around all that much. I took it out hiking, and there just wasn't enough material on the bottom for that to be a concern of mine. There's a front flat pocket with 2 interior slot pockets, and it does say this is not a good choice if you want to carry a 6-shot bigger bore revolver. Smith & Wesson end frame and similar. The lack of a middle pocket for the cylinder to intrude into tends to jam the cylinder into your chest. Go with the original kit bag instead. This is more to carry the lightweight essentials. On a quick hike, nothing crazy. More of an area reconnaissance walk where you're just carrying water and you're not expecting to be out long. It's a good way to add the little things that you're going to be accessing frequently on a trip while keeping larger items or items you don't need immediately in your main pack. Now, this is a very non-traditional way of carrying any of your extra small items. Wearing this bag around will make you stand out. There is no lower social signature. This is not something that is exactly common outside of maybe large cities where there's a lot of military-inspired fashion, if not a military city. The reason is this. As you can see from my picture, it looks like I'm straight up wearing a rack. Add in body build, how you stand, how you move. You are definitely not going to be blending in anytime soon. I don't care if this was made in hot pink. In fact, if this were hot pink, it would probably draw way more attention. This is definitely going to set you apart from the crowd. I think that for small items that you need quick access to, you really can't beat this setup. I like how I can take off my main pack and still have what I need, and it's way less annoying than a fanny pack. So if you're in the market for a small bag at about $100, it doesn't break the bank. Give it a try. I guarantee you'll be satisfied. You will find a use for this item, and think of it as another tool in your toolbox. Check them out. I'll leave a link to their website in the description below. They have tons of cool packs, and I'm definitely going to be picking up a few for myself. I hope I've helped you make up your mind. So until the next video, be good, stay safe, and have a good one.